Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 1089, duplicate number. This is an easy array problem, but it teaches us an importance of concept in placing array modification using two pointers. So let's understand the problem statement first. We are given a fixed length array. Whenever we encounter 0, we need to duplicate it. That means the first 0 remains, the another 0 is insert immediately after it. Element on the right shift, since the array size is fixed, element that moves with outside the array are decreed. The modification must happen in place, so we can't return a new array. For example, the input is given 1 0 2 3 0 1 4 5. The output is 1 0 0 2 3 0 0 4. First 0 becomes double of 0, second 0 also becomes double 0. The last 0 cannot be completely duplicated because the array length is fixed. So the simple approach is brute force, create the another temporary array, travel the original array, copy every element. Whenever we find the zero, insert another 0. Finally copy the temporary array back along simple. This require extra space. The time complexity becomes O into n and place complexity also become O into n because the problems ask in the modification in place. So let's optimize it. The optimized approach is two pointer. The main challenge is that inserting element The main challenge is the inserting element shift the array. Insert of shifting every time we will work from the end. Step 1. Count how many zeros are present. Suppose zeros is equals to number of 0. No, now imagine duplicates every 0. The virtual length becomes n plus 0, where all through the real array size remains n. So let's start with the code, then we will move further. So this is the code for the solution this question. So the time complexity become O into n because every element is processed only once, and the place complexity is O into 1 since no modification we modify the array place without any extra array. Everywhere the array requires shifting element, but extra space isn't allowed it. Think about the solution from the end. So this is the solution for LeetCode 1089 duplicate number. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.